Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Revolt. Ever wondered about the incredible future of technology? Join us as we dive into the coolest food tech. Can machines outperform humans? Let's find out together on this thrilling journey. Buckle up as we go together on this adventure. In the beef carcass cutting process, advanced technology plays a pivotal role in ensuring precision and efficiency. This technology enables precise cutting of the carcass using saw machines to divide it into parts. The automated systems reduce human error, increase yield, and enhance food safety by minimizing contamination risks. After cutting, the beef portions are inspected, trimmed, and prepared for packaging. Maintaining high quality and freshness throughout the process. The production line begins with chicken breast meat being minced and mixed with seasonings and binders in precise proportions. Advanced machinery forms the mixture into nugget shapes, followed by a battering and breading process. Conveyor belts transport the nuggets through a quick freezing tunnel, preserving their texture and flavor. This streamlined process showcases how technology enables mass production while maintaining product integrity. Automated mixers combine flour, water, yeast, and other ingredients to create dough with precise consistency. The dough undergoes proofing in controlled environments to allow for fermentation. Ovens with programmable settings bake the bread to perfection, ensuring even heat distribution and crust formation. Slicing and packaging machines efficiently prepare the loaves for distribution. Maintaining freshness and shelf life. Systems monitor and adjust temperature, pH levels, and microbial activity during curdling, ensuring optimal cheese texture and flavor development. Pressing machines apply consistent pressure to expel whey and shape the cheese. For aging, climate-controlled chambers regulate humidity and temperature, facilitating microbial ripening and flavor enhancement. These technologies enable cheese producers to achieve consistent quality and variety, catering to diverse consumer preferences. At a crab meat processing facility, technology aids in cleaning, sorting, and packaging crab meat efficiently. Automated systems remove shells and debris, followed by sorting machines that categorize crab meat based on size and quality. Packaging lines utilize vacuum sealing or modified atmosphere packaging to maintain freshness and extend shelf life. This combination of automation and quality control technology enhances the efficiency and reliability of crab meat processing. Filleting machines precisely remove bones and skin from fish fillets, reducing waste and ensuring consistent portion sizes. The fish undergoes washing and sanitizing processes to remove any impurities. Packaging systems seal the fillets in airtight containers or vacuum packs, preserving their freshness and nutritional value. Quality assurance protocols, including temperature monitoring and contamination checks, uphold the highest standards of food safety and quality. Grinding machines equipped with precise controls produce different types of flour by adjusting particle size and consistency. Sifting machines separate flour particles based on size, ensuring uniformity and removing impurities. Automated packaging lines then fill and seal bags or containers, maintaining flour freshness and preventing contamination. Modern flour milling technologies optimize production throughput while meeting stringent quality standards for purity and consistency. Ice cream manufacturing plants employ cutting-edge technology to create creamy and flavorful products. Churning machines incorporate air into the mixture, creating the signature light and fluffy ice cream texture. Freezing tunnels rapidly freeze the churned mixture, locking in freshness and preventing ice crystal formation. Finally, automated filling and packaging machines package the ice cream into containers, ensuring product integrity and extending shelf life. If you are a fan of ice creams, drop a 1 in the comments below. Machines handle various stages of meat processing, from slaughtering to packaging. Robotics and conveyor belts facilitate the movement of carcasses and cuts, minimizing manual handling and reducing the risk of contamination. Quality control measures, such as X-ray inspection and temperature monitoring, ensure that only high-quality products reach consumers. The technology has transformed meatpacking into a sophisticated industry focused on delivering safe and high-quality products to consumers. Lamb processing begins at the farm, where lambs are raised under careful supervision to ensure their health and well-being. Lambs are transported to specialized facilities where they undergo slaughtering and initial cleaning. Advanced machinery is used to skin, debone, and cut the lamb into various cuts like chops, roasts, and ground meat. These cuts are then inspected for quality before being packaged and labeled for distribution to butchers and supermarkets. Octopuses are thoroughly cleaned to remove any impurities. Machine slices the octopus into desired portions, ensuring consistency in size and shape. These portions are then washed again before undergoing a final inspection. The octopus is packaged using vacuum sealing or tray packaging to maintain freshness and extend shelf life. Pork processing begins with the arrival of pigs at the processing facility. Pigs are slaughtered, and the carcasses are inspected for quality. Advanced machinery then separates the meat into various cuts, including the belly for bacon production. The bacon undergoes curing, smoking, and slicing processes to achieve the desired flavor and texture. Quality control measures ensure that the bacon meets strict safety and quality standards before being packaged for distribution to retailers. Technology drives efficiency and consistency in production. Potatoes are washed, peeled, and sliced into thin sheets using automated machinery. These slices are then fried to perfection in controlled temperatures to achieve the desired crispiness. The chips undergo seasoning before being packaged in airtight bags to preserve freshness, which ensures that only the best chips reach consumers. Washing systems remove dirt and impurities from vegetables, ensuring cleanliness. Machines chop the vegetables into uniform pieces, maintaining consistency in each salad mix. The chopped vegetables are then packaged in sealed containers or bags, ready for distribution to supermarkets and restaurants. Hygiene and quality control measures are paramount to ensure the freshness and safety of the salad products. Shrimps are sorted by size and species before undergoing peeling and deveining processes using specialized machinery. This ensures that the shrimps are clean and ready for consumption. The shrimps are flash frozen to preserve their freshness and flavor. Drop a comment in the section below if you found this information helpful. The production line starts with mixing the ingredients. Water, sweeteners, flavors, and other components are blended to create the desired beverage base. Next comes carbonating, where carbon dioxide is added to give the drink its characteristic fizz. The mixture is then filtered to ensure clarity and quality. The carbonated drink is bottled using automated machinery that fills, caps, and labels the bottles at high speeds, ensuring efficiency and consistency in the bottling process. At a squid processing plant, the first step is cleaning. Fresh squid are washed to remove any impurities and dirt. They are sliced into desired shapes, such as rings or tubes, using specialized machines. The squid pieces undergo a thorough inspection to ensure they meet quality standards. The cleaned and sliced squid is packaged using vacuum-sealed bags or trays, preserving its freshness for consumers. Freshly harvested tea leaves are spread out to wilt, reducing moisture content. Tea leaves are rolled, releasing enzymes which develop a unique flavor. The leaves are dried to halt the oxidation process and lock in the desired flavors. The dried tea leaves are sorted based on size and quality before being packaged for distribution. The process begins with mixing ingredients like corn or wheat flour, water, and salt to form a dough. The dough is pressed into thin, flat discs using specialized machines. These discs are cooked on a hot griddle until they puff up and develop a golden brown color. The freshly made tortillas are packaged in bags or boxes, ready to be sold in stores or used in various dishes like tacos, burritos, and enchiladas. Turkey processing starts at the hatchery, where fertilized eggs are incubated until they hatch into chicks. These chicks are then raised in controlled environments, receiving proper nutrition and care to ensure healthy growth. As they mature, turkeys are moved to processing facilities, where they are humanely slaughtered, cleaned, and prepared for consumption. The processed turkeys are then packaged and distributed to retailers, eventually making their way to holiday tables around the world for festive feasts. Wagyu beef is renowned for its exceptional marbling, which contributes to its rich flavor and tenderness. The secret lies in the unique genetics and feeding practices of Wagyu cattle. These cattle are raised with meticulous care, often receiving a diet rich in grains and receiving regular massages to promote even distribution of fat. The result is beef with a buttery texture and melt-in-your-mouth consistency, making it highly sought after by gourmet chefs and food enthusiasts alike. We're glad you're here. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video for more exciting content.